Good morning, Unispan. Thank you very much for your past week and for the two training sessions and all your feedback and you joining into the sessions. I realized this morning that I think a visual of the data and what the data spread looks like would help you tremendously to find your way within the document management system. So just a very short video. I'm going to show you what the data looks like within the DMS. Have a look at that. All right, so Unispan USA document management, if you can see right in the middle there, it branches out to two areas. So it branches out to company documents and it also branches out to customer documents, as you know. The company documents would be the area where you would save all your working documents before it is sent out. So you may have XLSs and PDFs and all your working documents, your final working documents into the corporate folder structure. So as you can see, in the corporate folder structure, we have design and engineering, branches, where Ohio and Florida, the specific branch bid stuff, finance, marketing, HR, operations, management, projects, sales, suppliers, there's IT systems, customers. So what's the difference between these customers here and customer documents when we go further? The difference is we might have working documents that we're creating for the customers themselves, and that is where the working documents will live. We will not pull these documents into the structure further on where there's customer documents. Inside of the customer documents here, only the finals will live. But anyway, so just as an overview, Unispan USA company documents, we have the corporate folder structure, and inside of the corporate folder structure, there's folders and files. So let's just quickly follow it. So company folder structure, I want to go into sales. There's the sales folder. Under the sales folder, you'll have opportunities, projects, sales reports, and forecasts. So what I have done, just for your viewing pleasure, if I can call it that, so sales reports. Under the sales reports, we have report spreadsheets, final data, and CSV exports. So you can drill down right to the file level. But as you can see, we have all these corporate folder structures inside of the company document structure. Then going back to centralized Unispan USA document management, the other area of it is the customer documents. So customer documents consist of two specific areas, and there is a reason for it, because the Ohio customers and the Florida customers differ, but there are certain customers that might be in both branches as well. So let's just go to Ohio customers. You have the Ohio customers, and then you could see every single Ohio customer around that wheel. It is lying there, and underneath a customer, like for instance CT Taylor there, you will have, like I told you, you will have all your different projects. So this template is just there to make now a new project there, and a new project, and a new project. So we'll be able to see all, so under invoices, proposals, statements, agreements, drawings in general, under each and every one of these projects. So if I pull it out again, Ohio customers, exactly the same for Florida customers. They are the Florida customers. All right, so visually, I'm representing now the tree of the document management system. So between the two branches, then there's one other thing, and it lies in between here, as you can see. It's a customer docs distribution holding area. So as I said, the moment that we have created, after we've created in the corporate folder structure, we've created a invoice, for instance. That invoice is then, as a final document, that is then saved here in the customer docs distribution holding area, and then Nicole will come and she will drag that into Florida or into Ohio, right down, for instance in Ohio, right down into the invoice folder there, that we'll be able to give the customer access to that folder, or you know exactly where that invoice lies. So that in essence is the view of the document management system. And so very interestingly, it's got two tiers. The first tier is document management of the Unispan company, and then the other tier is document management of the customers.
Yeah.